Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I just wanted to welcome you. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your continued support. I'm going to go ahead and get right into today's video. Today is going to be a review of some hair, and this is hair from VVI Hair. They actually sent me this headband wig. I have not tried it on or anything yet, so I'm going to be looking at it with you guys. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just pull it right out of the bag so we can get started. Okay. So a 16-inch curly natural black headband wig, and they are actually an Amazon store, so if you are interested in this hair, you can purchase it on Amazon. So this is what it looks out like straight out of the bag, you guys. The curls are gorgeous. Like, I love this curl pattern. It's very soft. My first impressions are, 1, the curl pattern is beautiful. 2, it's very soft. And I am going to give you guys, even though it was sent to me, I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on it. So the construction, it's got three combs, and then it also has one in the back. It does have the adjustable straps on it, and then of course just the headband that goes all the way around. And then they sent me a headband. Oh, actually, I think this might be an edge scarf. It's not actually a headband. I'll have to open that up and see. And then this, which I'm not sure what this is, but we'll open it up in a little bit. Oh, it's a tube. I don't know what a tube is. Look at the pictures on here. I guess you can wear this like all different kind of ways. It's kind of cool though. I mean, I don't know. I never had a tube, so I'm gonna take it. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. I'm going to take it off. Okay, so I did go ahead and just, smooth my hair back better, give me a little bit of baby's hairs, for the babies. And now I'm just going to leave this on for a few minutes just so I can, just let it set before I put the wig back on. But I'm going to try this little tube out. Let me see. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay, it could be worn like that. It could be worn like this. I don't know. I guess you could probably use this, as a little mask. Something. Coronavirus. Okay. So you can use it like this. Okay. What else they got on here? Ooh, this one's my favorite way. This for them days when, you just want to be free. Okay. think I've given my edger enough time. Okay, that's a little better. It's a little better. Better. And let me do a quick 360 for you guys. So one thing I am liking so far is it doesn't feel like heavy, like it's very lightweight. Like for the summer it'd be nice because it's not like a lot of hair on your head, but it's still full enough. Okay, so I want to be extra. I want to comb it out and see how it looks combed out. If you know me, I do like big hair. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like combed out. So all I did is just comb the whole thing out, and then I just like wet the ends so that the ends would be together. And I really like this look. Like, wow. And the fact that it's so like, I like big hairs. So the fact that it's big and it's also very lightweight, like it doesn't feel heavy or like so much hair because it's so light. Like, I love that. High bun, high ponytail. Like, I really love these headband wigs. I really do. But yeah, so that's the video. I'll probably attach a couple pictures here at the end. And yeah, again, make sure that you're liked and subscribed to the channel. Thanks again. Bye-bye.